Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to create an awesome Bloxy Cola avatar in Roblox. We'll go through each step, from gathering the necessary items to putting the finishing touches on your unique look. This guide will help you transform your character into a refreshing Bloxy Cola icon, ready to stand out in any game. Get ready to customize your avatar with style and personality, making it truly your own. To begin your Bloxy Cola transformation, you'll need a few key items. First, search for the Bloxy Cola hat to top off your avatar with its iconic design. Next, find the Bloxy Cola shirt and Bloxy Cola pants to complete the main outfit. These three core pieces form the foundation of your refreshing new look. You might also discover other Bloxy Cola accessories to add a little extra sparkle. Once you have all your Bloxy Cola items, head over to the Roblox avatar editor. This is where the magic happens. Equip the Bloxy Cola hat, shirt, and pants onto your character. Take a moment to adjust your avatar's body type and skin tone to perfectly complement the Bloxy Cola theme. Make sure every piece is applied correctly for a seamless and stylish appearance. With your main Bloxy Cola outfit complete, it's time for some final touches. Consider experimenting with different facial expressions to give your avatar even more personality. You can also explore other accessories that might complement the Bloxy Cola style, like a cool backpack or a fun pet. Don't forget to save your amazing new avatar and then show off your refreshing creation to all your friends.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.